So today we're looking at this. Yeah, wrong side. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner. So I wasn't going to review this quite yet, but my daughter's over visiting from university. She said she wanted a new vacuum cleaner because she has nothing to clean her room. And I'm like, well, she's coming over, so this will be nice to give her as long as it works. What we're going to do is we're going to open it. Again, take a look at the Amazon listing to see what they say about it. And then our puppy likes to bring leaves in from outdoors. She goes outside onto the deck. She brings leaves in, she chews them. And of course, in that room, there's just like, there's leaves and stuff all over the floor. Seems like a good test for this. Anyways, this is the box. This is the Greenote Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. A lot of these specs, I'm just like, I don't know. I'm just reading them off to you. 23,000 PA, 200 watt stick vacuum cleaner, 35-minute runtime. Now I don't know if it has different speeds because 35 minutes actually is pretty good for a stick vacuum cleaner. We have one upstairs, and it probably gets half an hour-ish when it's on low, but when it's in its high speed, maybe 10-15 minutes. Right now, let's see, cordless vacuum, 6-in-1 lightweight vacuum cleaner. Yep, for hardwood, floor, carpet, pet hair. So all kinds of stuff that we have in our house for sure. And well, hardwood, floor, carpet, that's pretty much most flooring. This is the Greenote, and right now, which is kind of awesome, and I don't know if this will be like this when you guys are watching this, but regularly in Canadian dollars, 150 bucks, they give you a $50 off coupon, which brings it to under $100. And there's a promo code there for an additional 5% off, which should bring it to like 95-ish dollars. Look at me doing math. Yeah. So that's kind of cool. So I'm going to put this down here for a minute. Lightweight, which is important. Powerful suction apartment vacuum cleaner. Again, this isn't going to be a vacuum cleaner if it's your only vacuum cleaner for like a full-size house kind of thing, you know. But if you have an apartment or you're just going to be using it daily to clean up little this and that's, awesome. Or for independent rooms or whatever, awesome. Powerful suction, yes, I don't know what any of that really means. It does say high-speed mode lasts about, there you go, see, high-speed mode lasts about 18 minutes and clean 100 square foot home. Again, I guess it would depend on how dirty or how aggressive you are. Self-standing and quiet vacuum, that's kind of nice. It says it's less than 65 decibels. Clean up pet hair and dust under furniture because it's a stick vacuum. And professional online support. Oh yes, professional online support, which they say offer a 2-year warranty and comprehensive and accessory replacement service. So that's not something that I'm going to be able to test to see what that's like. My hope is that they're good with that. So I do ask any of you guys that get this or have this and you have had to use their customer service for whatever reason within that 2-year warranty time, please let us know in the comments what your experience was like. Because you know what, customer service is something that a lot of times we don't think about, but it is included a lot of times in the price of products that are sometimes a little more expensive. And our hope is that that customer service pays for itself so that, you know, if we do have to use it, it's not going to be something that we're like, oh, I should have just bought a different brand. But look at this. Look at this lady. She's rocking it out. She's got it over her head. It can't be that heavy, right? Silent. Oh, I like that. It's, you can take the stick off and it's a little dust buster, right? Freestanding. Oh, I like that too. Up to 80% better pickup on carpet and hard floors. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Seems good. These people with dogs love it. She's not looking like someone who's actually vacuuming, you know, because let's admit, when we're vacuuming, we're not like, no. But she looks nice. All right. 2 charging modes. That's good. Oh, I like that. It's an adjustable telescopic pole because my wife and I, for instance, 2 different heights. What I need, what she needs, 2 different, right? So that's kind of nice. All right, washable Hepa filter. Cool. And then on the back of the box, it does say 22,000 milliamp hours, 200 watt motor power, 23 kPa suction, and 1 click to empty. See, on here it says it's got a 12-month warranty. Maybe there's something inside it that says, you know, register it and you get an additional. We'll look. But right here on the box, it does say 12 months. You guys can see that, possibly. See if I bring it up here. It's not hidden. 12 months. So we'll look. My daughter's gonna be so happy to have a vacuum cleaner. That's when you know. That's when you know someone's growing up. When you give them a vacuum cleaner as a gift, and they're like, "Woohoo!" Yeah, that's when you know. Because a couple of years ago, if I were to give her a vacuum cleaner, she'd be like, "What?" Yep. True story. Okay, number 1. What did we get? We get this cordless vacuum cleaner user manual. Yes, it's a nice size. I like it, which is good. It's a vacuum cleaner. I can't see it being overly hard to figure out, but things like this, where it's like giving you information on how to change the HEPA filter, that's useful for sure. And here's all the parts. This, which I'm not even sure what that is. It seems like some kind of weird hook thing and a brush. This must be for cleaning. That's right. You guys may be able to see it there. It's definitely like a little brush thing. It must be for cleaning the vacuum somehow. I'll bring this whole thing up here. These are going to be all the different kind of tubes that we can use, right? So we got this must be the one here that would go on when it's in its just short mode, right? So it's just tiny. We've all seen these if you've ever vacuumed. Some of you may not have ever vacuumed. I get it. You know what? You're young, maybe. You're young. Oh, I like the blue. I didn't realize. Yeah, it is blue. I didn't see how much I care. This, though, right? This must be the aha. And it's got nice little click points. Okay, I like that. That's nice. And then this is one of the ends. If you're not using the vacuuming part, I'm guessing this is kind of like a brush. So this piece here comes off. We don't need that. And this would go right on the vacuum itself instead of, let's say, this, right? So now you have 2 attachments. Very cool. That's empty. We have this. Make sure I put that over there. We have this, which is, I want to see the power head. Does that sound right? Power head. So if you are using carpet or you are even on hardwood, I like the blue though, right? So this would go into this. There's your 2 ends. They kind of not that way. Nope. Male, female. Yes. One of these. Yes. Here we go. Yeah. That's nice. We'll just put that. We'll put that there. You guys can look at it. It seems like when it's all apart like this, you're like, it doesn't seem like there's much there. But that's good. You know, that's good. There is you guys can see it here, right? There is your motor handle. It looks like a spray gun. And of course, this plugs into this. Not that you care, but there's your quick release. I'm guessing this is, aha. See, you push this button, and then this comes off, so you can have the canister to go empty it, and this can still maybe stay on the charger, right? So this kind of goes down and snaps. All right, that's cool. And then there's your see right here. That's your quick release button for, I guess you just you pull this or pop this or something. There. Oh, I see. So all you do is you see it here, just pop it, and then the bottom comes out, and then all your trash comes out of it. Yes, and that's really it. It does have a use of dust cups guide. Oh, so there is that HEPA filter thing inside there, but it does talk about use of dust cups guide. Maybe, you know what, how you actually put them in, take them out, etc., etc. No, see, there's your HEPA filter. There it is. There's your HEPA filter. So this This we take off, right? This comes out and then up. And then this opens somehow. Ahaha. It just, ahaha. It just, you just pop it, right? Just to pop like that. And this maybe goes here. It feels like that comes off. Ahaha. So it's a spare. It's a spare because there is one in here already. So they give you a second one. So this all comes apart. Which is actually really easy. You guys see there's like little notches in here. Yes. So this just goes in here and you turn it so it locks, and then you turn it to undo it. Right? It only kind of goes in one way. Boom. This, put it in a cupboard. And then this goes in here. Same idea. You just kind of spin it till it, right? It can only go in. You spin it and spin it and spin it and spin it and spin it. And you just kind of be like, there it goes. And then locked. That's simple. That's simple. Yes. And then once it's there, same idea. You get this. If you look at the bottom here, there's a little kind of knot, little area here. So you just kind of slide that in. Yes. And then it seems well put together. And then last but not least, you get a power cable. So I am curious. Let's just see, because it says, I'm just going to do it here. Ready? I'm going to put it here. Oh yeah, see, it locks. When you get it straight up, it locks, which must mean that you just have to give it force to unlock it. I'm guessing that's it, because I don't see any button down here, right? You just kind of, and it opens, because there is like a little clamp release here. That's not something you and I could touch. No, so, okay. And then this, I'm going to extend. So that's really as extendy as it gets. And then this goes self-standing. That's perfect for like Harley's room. She'll love that. All right, let's go upstairs and do some cleaning. All right, my friends, glorious day. Showed the vacuum cleaner to Harley, and just like any teenage girl who's 18, she was thrilled to get a vacuum cleaner. Anyways, she actually vacuumed up this little officey area for me, which was awesome. And this is where Lucy does a lot of her, like I said, leaf chewing down here. So you can see, hopefully you guys can see, like it picked up a ton of stuff. So much stuff. I would have to say I was actually fairly impressed. It picked up everything off the hardwood floor, which it should. When it got to my little carpet down here, my little mat that my chair's on, it was really grabbing it, which again was a little surprising. It's quiet. As quiet as vacuum can be. Don't expect it to be like you can't hear it, but nothing that would distract or nothing that would disturb if you had even like a neighbor or anything like that. Harley's going to be using this in her dorm, so she's got neighbors all around her. So this is easily, like you guys may be able to hear it here. It's not bad, you know, for as far as vacuum goes, and that's on normal mode. And then of course, if you turn it on and hit this little button, she goes into turbo mode. So you guys can see it spinning around right there, and you just tap it again to kind of stop it. And it stands upright. When you do have it plugged in, there's three little lights right here. You guys may be able to see them. There they are right there. Where am I? Yeah, right there. That'll tell you your like battery charge. Right now it's fully charged. But I have to say, when I did plug it in originally, the first light was flashing. So don't expect to like get it, bring it home and start using it. It does need to go through a charge. Other than that, if you can get this thing, especially for under $100, especially if you're someone that lives in, like I said, a small apartment, especially with hardwood floors, super light. The head pivots when you turn it. That's Lucy playing with her squeaky toy. She always comes over here when I'm doing this and says, "Hey, don't mind me if I play with my squeaky toy." Yeah. Anyways, I think for that price, especially even at $150, it's a great deal. Don't expect it to be like high level vacuum cleaner, but
for like around a house, around an apartment, around a dorm, something like that. I think it's really good. And even if we were to have this for here, I think it would be really nice to have just something for quick little things in this room so that we don't have to bring out a big vacuum. It's just really, again, it's really light, super convenient, easy to charge, and yeah, it's good. All right, guys, I'll put links down below if you guys are interested in this. Lucy's pretty excited about it, doing things down there. Yep, and that's it. Links down below. And this is the Greenote portable stick vacuum cleaner. Yeah, it's good. Later.